Hi, I'm Jameelah Auset Anderson, life coach, speaker, author, women's and girls advocate, and owner of freethefeminine.com.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We are here to celebrate today.
I'm most affectionately known as the Growth Goddess. Why? Because I teach women, and really people in general, how to up-level, transform their life, overcome past obstacles, and really embrace the future that they want in the present moment. I started my company in 2011. Camp Butterfly Bella was an agency that I created to inspire young girls. That transitioned into freethefeminine.com. And through that agency, I now provide retreat services, workshops, and do a lot of speaking engagements to activate women from all walks of life. I want you to soak in this moment of peace and relaxation, where you are creating and bringing forward the desires of your heart. Bringing forward all of the things that you know you are so worthy of. You are worthy. I had very humble beginnings. As a matter of fact, I am the daughter of Caribbean immigrants to the U.S., and I was a single teen mom. Much of what I've learned has come as a result of my dedication to being my fullest and truest self. My dedication to evolving through all of the odds, and my ability to show and highlight resilience, even in situations that were unbecoming. I challenge women to transform, evolve, and advance in life. It is an honor to work in the women's empowerment industry. But my humble beginnings were steeped in the journey and the long process of continuous self-discovery. I've had to learn firsthand what resilience and beauty lie in the process of self-growth and personal development. Women sit at the helm of families, nurturing children, serve as wives, sisters, aunts, mothers, and the future is female. I speak now because I recognize that our growth impacts the growth of the world. And it's my job as the Growth Goddess to do as much as I can with my mission-based work to help inspire, to help activate, and to grow. We are finally coming into a state of recognition and self-discovery about who we are and why we're here. I look forward to presenting at your workshop, your conference, and your event, and to really inspiring your audience and regaling them with tales, wisdom, comedy, love, and laughter. Thank you.